So I will tell you here how to rate the yantra for the best married life. That is, that means the yantra for the best married life. First, to take a small piece of paper which you can able to keep it in your wallet. It's very small. You can see this. Maybe I can show. Yeah, it's very small. Okay. Then use the green ink pen. You can use green ink pen. Okay. Then I will show you the instruction and please follow only those instructions. First, draw the box. Please observe how I draw the box. The directions also important here because you need an improvement in your married life. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 3 4. Okay. These points you constructed to make the rectangular box because these points acts as a reference. Now what you do, you join these lines. How I see, from bottom I will go top because from lower level to higher level your life has to improve. I will join this, I will join this, I will join this, join this. Now from here to here again, from this, that is bottom to top, from top to bottom. See here, I drawn here first, second here, then third, then fourth. Okay, draw this. Don't come from this way to here, you go from here. Okay, then what to do, I will show you some symbols you would write. See, for example, you see these are the symbols which you have to write in the box. Okay, what you can do is you can just see here in a small way you can write. See that whatever whenever you write it should not touch any of this wall. Please take care of it. It's very easy, you can write it. Below you write your name and your wife name. Okay, and later hold this small piece of paper, pray to your home god and Lord Shiva, whomever you believe, right? Then keep it in your pocket. That's it. Have a wonderful married life.